The XC60 plug-in hybrid costs almost exactly the same money as this V60 T6. Same platform, same engine, same battery. Volvo is asking you to choose between height and length, and almost nobody is choosing length. What the V60 does with the same ingredients is not the same car. The Aurora Silver on this Plus Dark trim shifts between cool gray and something warmer depending on the light. 19-inch diamond-cut wheels in graphite sit flush against the arches. The roofline runs flat, then tapers just enough at the rear to give the V60 a profile no SUV in Volvo's range can match. Same wheelbase as the XC60, entirely different stance. What happens when you sit inside rather than above is why I keep coming back to wagons. You sit in this car, not on it. The dashboard layers soft-touch surfaces over brushed aluminium, and the part leather mesh textile in anthracite feels like a deliberate choice, not a concession. The 9-inch touchscreen runs Google built-in, and it is faster than it was 2 years ago. But the climate controls live inside that screen. No physical buttons. On a cold morning wearing gloves, you are tapping a small icon at the bottom of a glass panel trying to demist the windscreen. The BMW 330e Touring still gives you physical climate buttons. Volvo made a different decision, and I still think it was the wrong one. Everything else in here earns the price, and there is a specific reason I would take this over the XC60 that lands in the verdict. Picture a Tuesday morning. You drop into the driver's seat, the bolsters hold without restricting your shoulders, and the 12.3-inch display tells you the electric range before anything else. Heated seats and heated steering wheel come standard through the winter package. The Orforce crystal gear selector catches light from the roof. I noticed it on the first morning and kept noticing it after. Rear cabin is generous for 2 and acceptable for 3. Legroom behind a tall driver is better than the exterior suggests. The seats fold 40-60, not 40-20-40. You cannot slide skis through the center while keeping 2 passengers. The Audi A5 Avant offers 40-20-40 at this price. If you use this car the way estate buyers use estate cars, that matters. 529 liters with the seats up, around 18.7 cubic feet. Fold them and it grows to 1,441 liters, around 50.9 cubic feet. Power tailgate is standard. The load lip is low enough that a heavy bag slides over without lifting. For a family with a pushchair on a Saturday, this boot asks nothing of you. I changed my mind on this car once during the walk-around. The second change is the one that matters. 91 kilometers of electric range WLTP, around 57 miles. Real world, closer to 70, around 43 miles, which covers most commutes silently. A 7 kilowatt wall box charges the 19 kilowatt-hour battery to full in under 2 hours. No DC fast charging. The BMW 330e offers 61 WLTP kilometers, around 38 miles. The V60 wins on range, but neither car charges fast enough for the motorway routine a full EV handles without thinking. Estate cars did not get worse. Buyers moved to SUVs because the industry told them to. This V60 T6 costs 70,666 euros as shown. The XC60 T8 costs roughly the same. The SUV gives a higher driving position. The estate gives a lower center of gravity, a boot that loads easier, and a cabin designed around driving, not climbing in. The XC60 costs the same money and gives you height. I'd still take this. Whether you agree depends on whether you've sat in one recently. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.